To make a hologram, we need a smart font, some sticks, a transparent sheet or a transparent lid, a trapezium template and some cardboard. Make a cutout on one of the cardboard according to your phone screen. Measurement of the template are 2 cm on the top, 8 cm on the bottom and the height is 6 cm. Take the template and place it on top of the transparent sheet and cut out 4 pieces. Stick the pieces using tape. Make a trapezium pyramid-like structure. Stick the structure into one of the board. Next, let's make the legs. The length of the leg should be 4.5 cm. Attach the legs to the cardboard. Attach the top into the legs. Make sure that the structure touches the phone screen. This is very important, otherwise it won't work. Take any hologram video from YouTube and set it into full screen mode. Switch off light and you can see the 3D image.